To prepare to cook this lamb curry dish, wash and chop 1 large onion. Use 1½ onions if of smaller size. Wash your chopped leg of lamb and set aside. You will need further ingredients of vegetable oil, tinned peeled tomatoes, salt and spices to include black cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, long Indian spice cloves, ginger, garlic, turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. And for best results, cook the lamb in a pressure cooker. Heat 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the pressure cooker on a medium flame. Add 1 black cardamom pod to the pan. Add 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks. Add 2 cloves of long Indian spice. When the oil is hot, add the chopped onions to the pan. Fry in oil for 3 to 4 minutes, or until they brown.
Ginger.
Once the onions are browned and translucent, you can add 1 spoon of ginger paste and 1 heaped spoon of garlic paste. You can use fresh garlic and ginger or powdered, if you prefer. Mix well. Add 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of chili powder, then add cumin, 1 spoon of garam masala and coriander. Then add a 1/4 cup of tinned tomatoes and mix in well with the spices. Once mixed, add the chopped lamb. And finally add salt and mix well with the lamb. Continue to mix well for 1 to 2 minutes. Then leave on cook on medium heat for further 7 to 10 minutes until you can see the oil separating from the curry. You should notice bubbling appearing and the oil making a thin layer on top of the curry. Now it's time to add water and heat the lamb under pressure. Heat lamb in pressure cooker for 4 to 5 minutes further, usually till steam has been expelled 6 to 7 times, or until lamb has softened. Your lamb is now ready to plate and serve.